Arrive in style with this GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited Pro. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 1SA, 3.42 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 17x8 silver painted steel, wheels, 17x8 bright silver painted aluminum, front 40/20/40 split bench seat, vinyl seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar and heavy-duty suspension. This vehicle shows low mileage and is a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.